somewhere you can see a waterfall.
So it says road closed, but I'm going anyway because I want to go see the waterfall. To get to the waterfall. Oh, this is music to my ears right now. Hearing the waterfall. It must be super close. No way. Oh my. Wow. So I found the waterfall, and I'm the only one here. The trail for this was closed. Yeah, it was really steep and kind of a little sketchy coming in, so I think that's maybe why they closed it. But anyways, I persevered, and here I am. Now I get to enjoy this for a minute.